bird, a snail, and a dog. A bird chirped and walked. It saw a little snail. A huge dog there stalked, wagging its long tail. The bird wanted the snail. The dog wanted the bird. Then there came a rail. A loud whistle was heard. People alighted from the rail. The dog still wagged its tail. The bird took a long flight. The snail got a hole to hide. The train left the place. The dog matched its race. The bird came down again. Soon it began to rain. The snail came out afraid. It shivered and it prayed. The dog ran after the bird. His loud bark was heard. The little snail was glad. He moved towards a lawn. A very bad time he had. He would be safe in the lawn.